Okay. I came across the store. Came across something called orange cream whole milk. So we're gonna get this a quick taste test, see what this tastes like. Okay. Now let's look at the bad stuff about it. It's 210 calories. Whoa. 7 grams of protein. That's calcium, iron, potassium. 8 servings. So 1 cup is 210 calories. Whew. Wow. Let's see. I'll tell you what it smells like. Do you remember getting push-ups? Little push-up thing, you take the top off and you had a little stick in, you push it up, and this what this smells like. And believe it or not, that's exactly what it tastes like. It tastes like a liquid push-up. It's actually pretty good. You know what I'm thinking? Do something with this. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give this a solid 9. This is liquid push-up. It's, but the calories, a cup 210, that's way too much. Okay. Until next time, family, you take care, live long, eat smart, and have a good time. Talk to you later.